how to reset keyboard settings on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your keyboard settings on your Android in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now scroll down and tap General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now tap Reset to Default Settings. Here, you'll see options like Reset Keyboard Settings and Erase Personalized Predictions. If you want to restore the keyboard to its default settings, tap Reset Keyboard Settings and confirm. If you're having issues with suggestions or learned words, you can also tap Erase Personalized Predictions to remove saved typing data. Once the reset is complete, your Samsung keyboard will return to its default settings and should work more smoothly. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.